Ciao ragazzi, what's up? Andre here. Shout out to all my Brazilian friends who haven't seen me in a while. Don't worry, guys. I'm still alive, as you can see. You might be a little surprised to see me here, huh? Turns out, as some of you may have noticed if you follow me, I don't often post on social media, much less record myself. I wish I could tell you I'm speaking off the cuff now, but in all fairness, these lines were all scripted out. Not like I'm fooling anyone here, right? Sometimes you gotta get out of your comfort zone or you simply walk roll. And that's precisely why I got into food media. To tell you the truth, for the most part of the program until today, I had been avoiding with all my strength to show my face on camera. It was not only a matter of being camera shy. The fact is that I really wanted to concentrate on becoming a better writer. And by doing so, I must admit that I may have missed the chance to improve another skill. That is to say that I'm here because I was challenged by my media training professor to finally put this exercise into action. Even though this is not an essay per se, it still demands a lot of planning and writing beforehand. It's like prepping before cooking. Unless you're a natural or expert who can improvise on the fly, which is not my case. Being camera ready is like any other craft. It takes practice. I don't know if you're aware of this, but I created a food blog last year on a platform called Medium. Ever since, I've been posting some stories there from time to time. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to check it out. And that's it. Thanks for taking 2 minutes of your life to listen to a cook babbling about his career goal. Cheers.